Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mazda CX-30 key battery. To begin, ensure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Locate the small release button, usually found on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then carefully slide out the emergency key. This key is crucial for accessing the battery compartment, so keep it nearby for the next steps. With the emergency key removed, locate the small slot where it was previously stored. Now, take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin and carefully insert it into this opening. Apply a gentle twisting motion to slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Work slowly and avoid using excessive force to ensure you do not damage the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards into the slot. With the new battery securely in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Gently press them together until they snap firmly into place, ensuring a secure fit. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks. Test your key fob to confirm it is working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.